Hello, in front of me I've got MITSUBISHI Grandis. In this video I'll show you how to find and reset Echo monitor. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster and navigate through it via arrows up, down. Scroll until you see Echo monitor. Echo monitor can be reset via screen display. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.